What's up, lifters? I'm Big Shawn, your new AI personal trainer. And this here is Jeff. He's got enthusiasm and a single pose.
My name is Jeff.
Don't worry, I'll do the talking, he'll do the lifting. Kind of. And today we're breaking down the F2 bar bicep curl using resistance bands. Shoulders back, elbows secured to your sides. Don't swing. You ain't clubbing how you're curling. He looks good, but don't be Jeff. Be better. Okay, now that we've got the basic position, let me give you more advanced instructions. For those who don't know, this is the F2 bar. Now, until we get an actual budget around here, Jeff's just using a standard barbell with our original VRS clips. But because we continuously improve, if you're going that route, I recommend upgrading to our patented Chain Beast and RT hooks instead. They let you easily connect resistance bands to any barbell. But actually demonstrating with the F2 bar is what we're also working toward using in all our videos. But this works. Especially for those that don't have an F2 bar yet either. For less than the cost of a cup of coffee for a month, you can help bring an F2 bar into an AI trainer's hands and make the ones and O's in his heart pound with passion.
So we're doing the whole home shopping network thing now, huh?
I'm training your form and your taste in gear, Jeff. Now you might want to quit acting up before I...
Jeff, lifters! It's time. I'm F2'd up.
Did he do the thing? The thing where he pretends to be angry?
Let's get ready to train.
Because I don't want to get that big.
Jeff, we're now going to train standing bicep curls with the F2 bar in the resistance band barbell configuration. I'm going to want to see your arms fully extended, elbows softly resting at your sides. Now curl it up, nice and controlled.
Focus on the bar's resistance and the elastic pull of the band. Since you're an intermediate athlete, repeat this for 1 minute.
Whatever your level, I recommend curling only to 90 degrees. Stop at the squeeze. Going too far up can strain the forearm. If you know, you know. That'll do it for this exercise. Oops. Pre-workout and protein shake kicked in. We're wrapping just in time.
Excuse you. Did he just crop dust me? You, sir, are as proportionally disgusting as you are big.